Would you show the verse in the Quran where it says that women can be beat by their husbands in Islam? And I have the commentators and the hadith of your Prophet where one woman who was beaten and had a green mark came to Muhammad. And instead of saying, let your husband come back and we will rebuke him for that act, he goes, well, Allah has condoned that, so be it. What do you do with that?
Now it says a woman can be beaten according to the glorious Quran. Now do you want to get into a long discussion as to what is the position of women in the Quran and the Bible? I mean, we can do that. Yes? Well, alright. The book of Revelation, chapter 14, verses 4 and 5 shows that women will not enter paradise. Now, you know, the Muslims are clapping, the Christians are laughing. The Muslims believe and the Christians don't believe. But look, both of you, whether Muslim or Christian, don't believe me, go and read the text. It says 144,000 people will go to heaven. Only these. And they will be virgins who have not been defiled by women. Look, if you want to compare the position of the women in the Quran and the position of women in the Bible, you will find such a vast difference. I told you before, people do not know the contents of their Bibles. And they come here and tell us that the Bible is 100% the Word of God. You might say 99.9% because look, you've already rejected this verse. You won't believe it. You know it's wrong, and that proves that the Bible is not 100% the Word of God.